In today's complex and interdependent business world, more and more work gets done through cross-functional teams. Why? Because no single individual can do it himself or herself. Now, in cohesive groups, the whole is a lot greater than the sum of its parts. So when teams work in synergy, they achieve extraordinary performance. So what happens when they don't? So in dysfunctional teams, it's quite the opposite. The whole ends up being a lot less than the sum of its individual parts. So you can put a group of 6 to 10 high performing individuals on a team and you might think that they would do great. But then when you put them together, their performance may be, let's just say, less than optimum or sometimes just downright disappointing. While talent management today routinely focuses on improving individual performance, there aren't many initiatives that develop the performance of the team as a whole. So, how do you improve the performance of the entire team and not just individual team members? Most companies think in terms of outdoor team activities for team building. While these activities are fun, but they do little to change the at-work behavior of team members. So it's just fun and then it's over. However, in this workshop, Team Building Without Time Wasting, we will help team members to identify both the individual and team growth areas and prepare an action plan for both. It is an immersive and interactive experience with 2 live sessions and 1 month access to our online learning platform. Why? For pre, during and post support, peer accountability, micro learning and much more. To quote Michael Jordan, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. So get your teams ready for high performance through the Team Building Without Time Wasting workshops. So enough focus has been done for individual performance development. This is a chance to develop performance of your entire team as a whole. So what are the benefits? So I'm going to kind of list some benefits and you can look at them more on this page. So support the growth of individual team members, that's one. Improve team effectiveness and at the same time improve individual effectiveness. It's a highly interactive and energetic session. It is also time efficient for busy leaders, so it doesn't take a lot of time. What are the workshop deliverables? So the team brainstorms and decides a common improvement area for all team members. Everyone's aligned. Each participant discovers and selects one individual improvement area and team members learn the highly effective process of feed forward that they can use all the time. The team prepares an action plan to continue to improve further and pre and post workshop support via an online platform for an entire month. The reading material, the workbook and a lot of content in soft copy. So who's the audience? Who is this workshop for? So this workshop is for internal teams in companies. It can be a departmental team, for example, a sales team, or a cross-functional team, for example, a project delivery team, or any internal group that interacts routinely to get work done. And the ideal team size is about 8 to 12 team members. And this is for middle management to C-suite teams, although it can be done for other teams as well. So here are the session details. The option 1 is on-site or in-person with 1 full day session. And the option 2, it can be delivered via Zoom using interaction tools. And in that case, it will be 2 half-day sessions. But both are interactive, fun, and a lot of involvement. So isn't it time you focused on improving the performance of entire team? Then call or schedule a conversation to find out more. Thank you.